Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Squarespace account to an Instagram shopping in 2024. Of course, this is a powerful way to showcase your products directly on Instagram as an example and make it very easier for customers to shop through your maybe Instagram. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me, here I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically, just go to this URL section. Make sure to go to squarespace.com first. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this page. So here, make sure to click on login to log in into your account. If you have an account, if you don't have an account, click on get started. And of course, you can use like Google accounts, Apple accounts, Facebook accounts, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the account dashboard right away. And of course, if you don't have a site in here, you can simply just go click here on create a site or a website. If you need some guidance, I've already made videos about this. You can go and check them out. I've even shown you how to create a website using AI. If you're not good as an example of creating a website by your own. Of course, other than that, you'll be able to just go and choose one of the sites that you have. If you have multiple sites, for me as example, I'll choose that specific site. I don't have some products on it, so I'll have to add some products first. So I'll just go to this left panel, and here I'll just go to finance maybe. Okay, there's some orders. I don't have any orders yet, yeah, because I don't have any products. So I'll just go here first of all to products. And yeah, as you can see, I don't have no products, so I can go here and click on add a product, and I'll just go and add a download products. Why not? And yeah, we'll have to fill up the email, the details of the products, write a description for it, add some additional info if you have some images of the products as an example. So I'll add these two images in here. For the inventory, of course, or the download that I choose. So I'll just upload this picture in here. The price, I'll put it on $5, or as an example, I'll put it on 7, and I'll put it on sale, then I put here $5. Marketing strategies, right? Anyway, after that, of course, categories. Make sure to add any categories. If you especially have more lot of products on your store, it's very good to add this. So, as an example here, I'll just create a category called like tests, and I'll add it to that category. Of course, categories will make it very easier for your customers to browse through your products, so make sure to add them. Tags, very good to add. Why? It will help you, of course, through SEO. So make sure to add whatever tag you want. So, for example, I'll just type a test in here as a tag. For selling tools, of course, some products add-ons, if you have any, just go and add them. The feature of the product, for example, released products, maybe products reviews, if you have any reviews of that specific products from maybe another like store, like Etsy or something like that. You can even import them to Squarespace. I've made a lot of videos about this as well on how to create some or how to import like the reviews from wherever you want to Squarespace. You can go and check them out as well. Other than that, for marketing, of course, you can just go here and like edit how does it look like on Google. As you can see, SEO ranking basically. Social share, how it's gonna look like. Social accounts, of course, you can simply go and do that. So I'll just keep saving this. And of course, you can add any custom forms or buttons. So for social accounts, it's very important to add the social account. So downloads, I should find this in here. Yeah, it's hidden because I did not. So I can go here and click on edits as example. We can go here and click on publish as example. So it will be published in my store. Now I can go back and click on edits. And if we go down to the same place, which is social account, so I'll just click on it and click on leave as example. This will take me to connect account. Connecting to social services enables you to push or pull data and allow visitors to connect with you via those services. So if you click on connect an account, as you can see, you have multiple things to connect. One of them are Instagram. So if you go here and click on Instagram as an example, you'll be taken here. And of course, you'll have to log in into Instagram. For me, I'm not logged in yet. So as an example, show social icons. If you want, like Facebook settings, most templates have some built-in social icons, but you can of course also display icons anywhere on your site using the social link block. So you can simply disconnect it, cancel, save, whatever you want. So click on save, of course, and you'll find it like looking on your website if you're looking for it as example. Other than that, so what do we want to do? As we said, is simply go and create it on, or basically create like, or connect the Squarespace to the Instagram shopping. So first of all, of course, we'll need to go to Instagram.com, hit the enter button. Make sure to log in into an account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create a new one. For me, I'll just go here and try to connect into my account. So I'm just getting like the credentials of my account. Where is it? So yeah, here is it. I'll just go and do that like that. And this is normally the username, and the password should be something like that. And yeah, this is good. I'll click on login in here, and this should log me in, right? Without some problems. Yeah, save the info so I don't have to keep logging in again, maybe another time. No, I don't need notifications. Yeah, just save this, not now. As an example, I'll just go now to my profile. Of course, like to connect your Instagram shopping to Squarespace, you would like to have a business account. So if you don't have one yet, make sure to switch your account to your business account. Normally, you'll find this with this how many account like viewed your account and etc. So make sure to switch it. Now, as an example, if we go back to the same place like settings, third-party tools, connected account, connects account, we'll find Instagram here. Should not appear a problem like it's used. Yeah, it used to be. So I'll just click on allow. Of course, make sure to read everything before allowing all those stuff. And it should be connected as an example, yeah, to your Instagram shopping right away. Now, if you have a business account and if you added your products in here, it should be added to your of course to your Instagram shopping right away without any problems. And also your Instagram is linked now. You can hide this if you want to from your websites. Of course, if you have any other problem, you can always go here to marketing. You can go as an example to marketing tools, maybe of course markets normally for your websites. This is actually very important. You can do multiple stuff in here as example, like go through promotional co-ops, announcements bars example, URL builder, and it will help you get more visitors example if you're trying to. So that's going to be basically it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.